In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload video on a Facebook page in this 2026 Easy Guide. First, open Facebook, either in the app or on the website, and sign in to the account that manages the page where you want to post. Once you're logged in, go directly to your Facebook page so you're working from the correct place before uploading anything. When you're on the page, start a new post by clicking or tapping Create Post, What's on Your Mind, or Create, depending on the version of Facebook you see. The wording can vary a little, but the goal is the same. Open the Post Composer for your page. Next, choose the photo or video option. This is what allows Facebook to pull media from your device. Browse your files, select the video you want to upload, and confirm by clicking Open or Done. Make sure you choose the correct file, especially if you have multiple versions saved. After that, add your caption. This is where you briefly describe the video and give viewers a reason to watch. A good caption can also include relevant hashtags, appropriate mentions, and a simple call to action, like asking people to comment or share. Keep it clear and connected to the content of the video. Before you publish, take a moment to customize the video settings if those options are available on your page. You may be able to add a video title, choose a thumbnail, include subtitles or captions, tag people or locations, and even place the video into a playlist or category. These details can make your post look more polished and easier for viewers to understand. Next, choose your audience settings. Depending on your page, you may see options like public, followers, or other visibility choices. Pick the audience that matches who should be able to see the video, then decide whether you want to publish the video right away or schedule it for later. If the timing matters for your audience, scheduling can be a helpful option. Otherwise, go ahead and publish immediately. Once posted, Facebook will upload and process the video. This can take a little time, especially if the file is large or high resolution, so give it a moment to finish. After processing is complete, review the published video carefully. Play it back, check that the audio and visual quality look right, and confirm that the caption and thumbnail appear the way you expected. Finally, monitor the video's performance using the available insights. Pay attention to views, reach, likes, comments, shares, and watch time if that metric is available. These numbers can help you understand what's working and improve future video uploads on your Facebook page.